All right, good luck, Ron. We're here with a personal box of Gridiron Kings football. Did you want to do the Black Friday packs first or the box? We pulled a Josh Donaldson auto from one of the thin packs today, number 25. Black Friday. Yeah, let's do the Black Friday packs first. Good luck. We got Blake Griffin. And number 599, Jock Peterson. Dodgers. Like that bottom pack? I have an auto. Ship all the base? Yeah, no problem. We got Aroldis Chapman. And number 599, Melvin Gordon. Charges. We got Andrew Wiggins. And number 599, nice Jung Ho Gong. 595 of 599. And the final. You got Rob Gronkowski. And upside down, Jaleel Okafor, rated rookie. Duke University. All right. Now for the box. Haven't hit anything too crazy from this Gridiron Kings case yet. Nothing crazy. Good luck, Ron. Here we go. We got Le'Veon Bell, Johnny Manziel, and Carlos Williams. We got Geno Smith, Andrew Luck, Nate Orchard, and a green, Kevin Johnson, Texans. I think those are short printed. We got RG3, Buck Allen, and Tony Lippett. We got Cam Newton, John Elway, and Bryce Petty. We got number 25, nice. Studio Signatures autograph, Mike Evans. Nice hit right there. 14 of 25. Mike Evans, one off the jersey number right there. And Matt Forte. We got Clay Matthews, Expressionists. Now Mike Evans. Having a pretty good year. Not as good as last year, but with a new rookie quarterback, he's having a pretty good year. Jameis Winston, Expressionists. Bucks. Jordy Nelson, Sammy Watkins, and Devin Funchess. We got Doug Martin, Gridiron Kings of Dan Marino, and a jumbo jersey, Art Nouveau, Devin Smith for the Jets. I think he had his first touchdown on Sunday. 23 out of 249. Calvin Johnson, Steve Young, and Leonard Williams. Peace out there. We got Teddy Bridgewater, Walter Payton, and Trey Waynes. And the final pack. We got Cameron Woodson, Charles Woodson, purple. Can't read, I guess. Larry Fitzgerald, Aficionado, and Melvin Gordon. I think, are these short printed too? Don't see too many purples. But nice break. There you go, Ron. Appreciate it, and thanks for watching.